My name is Associate Professor Alexander Pinto, and I'm a laboratory head at the Baker Institute. My specialty is in genomics, cell biology, and understanding cardiovascular disease mechanisms. I want to understand how the heart ages and how it responds to injury, and that led me to study immune cells and inflammatory cascades that happen once you have a heart attack. And when I did that research, I was fortunate to discover some new cell types that are present after a heart attack. And when looking at these cell types, it became apparent to me we didn't really have a very good understanding of the different cell types that form the heart. The Cardiovascular Systems Laboratory started really trying to put together a program to understand these different community of cells. In terms of the short term, we wanted to understand not only what forms the heart, but how those important elements of the heart change in disease. Diabetes, for example, hypertension. And these are areas of expertise at the Baker. So in the medium term, we want to characterize that, and the long-term goal is to use that knowledge to develop new drugs. Now is a really important time to fund this work for a number of reasons. First, there's been a lot of technologies coming together, not only from the cell biology perspective with genomics and computational biology, we can apply to really understand disease and develop new drugs. So we have a unique opportunity in history right now, not only to understand the heart and all these cardiovascular tissues, but to develop drugs like we never have been before to really treat these complex disorders such as heart disease and diabetes. So is a cure for heart disease possible? Well, we think so. We wouldn't be doing this research if we didn't think so. But it'll need a lot of work, and really some of the technology that's emerging now is giving a new perspective to how heart disease develops and new opportunities to stop it from developing. For those of you who are interested in supporting the Baker Institute, your support will help us do impactful research. Some of the best scientists in Australia are looking at cardiovascular health, and that impact will flow to the broader community to help cardiovascular health of people around Australia.